Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for Steno related contents. Be ready for the passage for the aspirants who are preparing for HSSC stenographer exam. Be ready. Start. Madam, I do not have that the animosity of the language by a person to the matter of the policy in the order of Delhi government full stop. Then I tell you one more and more about the Hindi language that the order of this position to the vituperation in our country full stop. Rajasthan government and Madhya Pradesh government, Bihar and Uttar Pradesh government. Simple because some people that the part of the understand in the language by the order of the language to the born in mind in the appearance of a particular full stop. I do not take that language with the order of this case to the Security Council Delhi have been vacated to the order of this Honorable Minister and the Honorable Fiscal Commission to the order of the Chief Election Commissioner, New Delhi, full stop, a common to the heritage with regard to the cooperation that all over the country with the regard in the relationship to the struggle by the mutually in the order of the intensification with the power of the tension by the order that more and more in the imaginative to the agricultural as a matter of fact by the populist has been depleted to the order of the declaration by the Honorable Minister full stop. Now, so far as that the concerned of the cascading in the effect of the Honorable Deputy Minister that the Honorable Pay Commission New Delhi to the payment of the disposal that a particular in the alarm by the leaders of the opposition New Delhi have been attention to the noticed with the question by the expenditure oblique expenditure that GNP full stop. Let us look at the time of the order by the Honorable Bill have been talked to the restore of the local police in this condition to the Honorable Election Commission at the same time of the order full stop. I should like to take before the order of the direction with the state government all the order of this appeal to the electoral rolls in the forward by the right direction of the honorable minister that the official in the influence by the punishable full stop it is punished to the preventing full stop and over. सो ये हमारी डिक्टेशन थी 100 WPM। अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगे तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर डिक्टेशंस। ठीक है, और आपको डेली रेगुलर डिक्टेशंस लेनी है जिससे कि आपकी जो है HSSC स्टेनोग्राफर एग्ज़ाम की बहुत अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस हो। हम पहले जो है शुरू शुरू में बिल्कुल लो लेवल से स्टार्ट करेंगे जिसमें वर्ड बार बार रिपीट होंगे, ठीक है, रेपिटेशन ज़्यादा होगी। उसके बाद हम डिक्टेशन में वो वर्ड्स यूज़ करेंगे जो सिर्फ वर्ड्स एक दो बार आएंगे, ठीक है, हर वर्ड एक दो बार ही आएगा, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं आएगा। अभी फ़िलहाल हम वो डिक्टेशन कर रहे हैं जिससे आपके जो है बेसिक जो टर्म्स हैं जो बार बार यूज़ होती है वो कवर हो जाए, ठीक है। सो सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल एंड बी प्रैक्टिस। थैंक्स टू ऑल।